Good morning, guys. So today we will have a discussion about your sample paper. Let me share you sample paper. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir.
Yeah. So this is for here. This is your market economics sample paper 2021. You can see the total mark is 80. In your grade 12, you will be having two parts. Okay, macroeconomics as a part A and part B as a Indian economic development. Before 2018, okay, before 2018, in grade 12, you will be having macro and micro both part you will be studying in. You will be studying. Okay, if you your senior super seniors they studied both macroeconomics and microeconomics in the economics part as a part A and part B, and it seems to be very tough. That's the reason CBSE what happened. They have decided and they what just removed microeconomics part A from grade 12 and they have included in your grade 11. You study that as a part B microeconomics. And those days before 2018, there was statistics for economics and an Indian economic development. Okay, Indian economic development. These two was there in grade 11 syllabus. Then after revising new syllabus, what happened? They have removed part B from grade 11 portions and they have included in grade 12. That is Indian economic development. Okay. So this is how your new syllabus or new curriculum for 2021. So part for grade 12 part A it is consists of macroeconomics. It is about in micro we'll be studied for whatever the topics that repeats here, but in micro we have studied right. It is about one in the industry, one firm, one organization. But here in macro we will be discussing it's a group of industries. In the beginning, we have discussed difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. We have discussed. I hope you all remember. So that's the same concepts. Okay, and we will be studying everything as aggregate demand. Previously, we have studied demand, supply, like that. But here we will be discussing about aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Okay, how to calculate national income. These are all the concepts. So let it be why I'm showing you this in the sense. Just you will get some idea. So this is what yesterday I have shared the question, right? Question number 1 to 10 is your MCQ. Then 2, there is you can see this is question number 1 to 10. We'll be having 1 marks. Okay, even you can see this 1 mark. It consists of 4. Match the following. You may think, oh, the four questions are there. They will give you for 1 mark, but not it is for 1 mark. It is just so you may think it will be for 4 mark. It is not so. Only 4 questions comes under question number 4. Only one. It will be considered as only 1 question. So 0.25 marks for each question. So we'll be having match the following. You'll be having choose the best answer. Then so you have to read this passage and you need to answer accordingly. That you must have what a current recent knowledge. Then here also MCQs. Okay, so this is from part A. First 10 questions in part A macroeconomics will be your 1 marks, and 2 3-mark questions. You can see this is question number 11, and I have told you yesterday. Among 2 3-mark, you will get either or choice for only 1 3-mark question. Okay. Have you all remembered yesterday I have shared you, right? So
Yes, sir.
among 2 3-marks, you will be getting 1 3-mark as either or. Then we will go for 4-mark questions. So this is our 2 3-marks done. Then the remaining 3 4 mark questions are there. So this is 13 is your first 4 mark question, 14 is your second, and 15 is your third. 3 4 mark question. Here in what happened in question number 14 alone, there is a either or choice. You can see. You can go for this problem, or else you can explain about ex ante saving of full employment. So this is among 3 4 marks, you will get either one either or choice. Then let us go for 16 mark. This is your detailed part. Okay, this is your detailed answer part, long answer. So among there will be 2 6 marks. Among two, either one question you will get either or choice. So here for question number 16, they are given you two either or choice question. Okay. Then again part B. Okay. So after finishing part A, then you can go for part B. Don't shuffle. Okay. So usually, if you people do like this, then it will affect your marks. So don't do that. Kindly finish part A part and go for part B. Or else if you have chosen part B first, you finish that and you can go for part A. Okay, don't shuffle. Okay. So here what happened? Same 10 MCQ. So 18 2. The same MCQ, multiple choice questions. True or false, choose the best answers. Then fill-ups, match the following. So first 10 questions will be your 1 marks. Okay. So here they are given one case study. So based upon this case, we need to answer remaining 1 mark. So this is what this is also 1 mark question. This is a new revised pattern. So they are this is just like what in your English they will give you a passage and they ask you to answer, right? Like that they will give you. So from 3 2 marks, among that one you will be having either or choice. Okay, 2 3 marks, then 3 4 marks. So again, I want to share you that there you have to study. You need to have you must be thorough with your recent trends, current scenarios. So nearly 14 marks you can expect from general in your Indian economy during your class 12. Okay, so just remember, keep it in your mind. So then 3 4 marks, among the three you will get one either or choice, then 2 6 marks. So among these two you will get any one as either or choice. So this is how your board examination paper looks like. Your economics board examination paper. This is 2021 sample paper. So you might have a question, sir. Here we will be rating only 80 marks. So what about the remaining 20 marks? The remaining 20 marks you need to you need to do project. There is a project for you in your grade 12. Okay, even grade 11 it is there. So grade 12 there is a project. Then grade 11. So the projects, I will share you one project. How my projects will look like. How can I gain 20 marks easily? So that is the question you might have in your mind. So let me share you. So guys, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, let me share you the screen. So this is your part A. This is for grade 11. Okay, 80 marks. 80 marks for theory and 20 marks for project. So part A is your statistics and part B is for introduction to microeconomics. Then this is all your curriculum. Then here for you can see the 20 marks is for your project. So again, so this is how your question paper looks like. 21 mark question, including both part A and part B. 4 3-mark question, 6 4-mark question, and 4 6-mark question. Total 80 mark in theory, and remaining 20 marks in project. Okay, this is for your grade 12 economics curriculum. Part A is your in macroeconomics, and part B is your Indian economy. So all these things I have shared you at the beginning. But why am I again sharing you this in the sense to understand about this 20 marks project. Okay, so this is what your project. So here they are given a list of project guidelines. So I will show you one project also. You can see the 20 marks again. They divide the project into 4. First thing is about the topic, the title, what you are choosing. You can see there they are given a list of titles. So these are all the titles. For grade 11, they are given some title, and grade 12, they are given some title. So we need to choose among this title or any other topic. If it is any of the current scenarios related to economics, like impact of COVID in Indian economy, that also we can choose. Okay. So they are given a list of topics where we can choose for our project. So how they will segregate the 20 marks. First thing is your topic relevance. Okay, there is 3 mark. And the knowledge content and the research work what you have done in that project for 6 mark. And presentation techniques. Presentation, I will show you now how students they have done their project. I will show you a sample project. So in that case, you can able to get a clear understanding about how you can present your project. Then you will have Viva voice. Okay. So you will get examiner. Okay, like internal and external. External from other schools. Okay, they will come, they will visit, that will be appointed by our CBSE board, and they will visit our campus. They will conduct Viva voice examination. Based upon your performance, you will get this 8 marks, and total 20 marks will be allotted for you in your grade 12 at the end of grade 12. Okay, before commencement of board examination, this is the first part, the practicals part. So that is what in March 4th onwards, right? Our CBSE board, they gave a curriculum. From March 4th onwards, they'll be having practicals. So science students, they'll be having practicals, records, experiments, but commerce students, we'll be having projects. So I will share you a sample project, how you can able to, just for your reference, and you will get some idea. Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to share you the project?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let me share you the project. So this is how your project looks. You can see this is what I told you, the presentation. So you must write in a record, or else now we have your grade 12 students, they have written in A4 sheets. So first your acknowledgement part, then the certificate with your name and your signature. Then the topic demonetization. Have you all remembered what do you mean by demonetization?
Yes, sir.
Currency, what it is, they cancel the old currency and they introduce new currency, right? And that we will call it as demonetization. So she has taken that topic, and she has done this project. So all your collection of data is secondary data. Okay. Have you remember secondary data, primary data in your statistics?
Yes,
So
sir.
primary data, we need to meet a particular respondent. Suppose I'm asking a customer satisfaction of Apple iPhone in that case, or it's customer satisfaction of KFC. We all know KFC, right? The Kentucky Fried Chicken. So the taste and satisfaction level of customers. So what we need to do, we need to visit nearby KFC and we need to collect the details from them directly. That is what primary data. And secondary data is what we will be collecting through other articles or magazines or publishments. Okay, then through websites to their brochures, we will collect all the information as a secondary sources of data. So for your grade 12 project, it is a secondary sources. So like this is what the presentation, how it looks like. You need to include images, pictures, and you need to write by your own hand. Okay. So this is how you can able to score 20 mark easily in your grade 12. So we teachers, we will guide you people, and finally definitely you can able to get good marks in this. So 20 marks is there in your hand, easily you can able to secure. So this is how your economics project looks like for grade 12. So I will share you another project also, just for your idea. So this is how this is another project, monopoly. in in microeconomics, we have discussed about monopoly, right? But they are removed this time. They have deleted that particular part, monopoly. So as I told, you will get one external from other school and internal. Then acknowledgement will be, it is up to you. Then monopoly. So this is what your presentation looks like. Okay. Simply simply write written format alone is not in what will not be considered. You can do somewhat innovative in your presentation skills. So for that you will be getting how many marks? I have told you just now. How many?
Three marks.
Very good. 3 marks. Okay. So this is how your projects looks like. So please, this is for your reference, so you will get some idea. And this is how you can able to score 20 marks without any obstacles. Okay, easily you can score 20 marks. But that's what I have told you. The people, those who have poor handwriting, please, you must improve your handwriting. And if you write like, if you scribble like this, okay, if you scribble like what you are doing now in your weekly test, this project will not be considered properly. So those who have poor handwriting, I request you people to improve your handwriting and try to develop your writing skills. So this is what your conclusion. Then this is the bibliography. So everything is from secondary data. So she has taken some part from microeconomics book and Sandeep Kaur book, what we are using now, and she has collected from the websites. So this is what the sources I have told you, right? Bibliography in the sense, these are all the sources that a particular student collected all the details about this particular project, monopoly. Indian Railway. Okay. So, have you got some idea about your project?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.